My name is Hanan. Welcome to my channel, Learn English with Hanan. In this channel, we're going to have a lot of lessons like everyday English, grammar, vocabulary, the 4 skills which are reading, writing, speaking, and listening, besides having lessons of beginners. So, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Whenever I publish any new video, you're going to watch it, and every time you're going to learn a lot. I promise you, we're gonna have so much fun. So stay tuned and every time watch my new videos. Have a nice day. Bye.